here we have the Mosasaurus in their habitat. They're playing. There's two. One's swimming around. Just playing around. They're swimming, playing around, jumping out the water and everything. And then one comes up. One's looking at me. What do I do? One's looking at me. Do I run? I don't think it notices me. Oh no, it noticed me. I gotta run. Oh, they're both noticing me. That one, I think that one's sleeping, but that one's moving. I gotta run. I gotta run. Hide. They need to have a dip in water at least every 10 minutes. So if I hide, it won't see me. They gotta take a dip in water every minute. So I have to hide in this bowl because it's way too hot, and they won't spot me. They have to go to take a dip in the water. Okay, they have to take a dip in the water. Oh no, I forgot there's water right there. Well, they can't see me right here because they can only see from. They can't see from that far. They have to look from their side. And I'm like in the basket, so they won't see me because they can't look up, or they can, but I think it's chicken over there. Well, I'm gonna go to sleep. Wait, no, I'm not. He's right there. I gotta watch out. There's some dinos over here too. I'm gonna look over here. There's gonna be some dinos here. Some other dinos here too. There's like tie rugs around here too. There's the dangerous T-Rex. They can't get up here though. There's the dangerous T-Rex. Dangerous T-Rex. Oh look, it's heading back. I think it needs to take another dip. It needs to go back to its friend. There's dangerous dinos too over here, like the T-Rex. But I'll keep on keeping on the lookout. Everything's going so far. We got other people have made these statues over the years of the fearsome dinos, and the Mosasaurus. You can see the Mosasaurus. It can't see us. I'm pretty sure it can't. It's looking for something. Probably me. I'm looking. Today in this journey, I want to spot the tie rug. But right now, we're watching this Mosasaurus. Where'd it go? I can't really peek around the corner. Okay, I think it's walking back. Okay, I think we gotta escape. Oh no, it's coming. Well, I'm gonna look around and see if we can find the tie rug or any other dino. Well, I'm gonna go to sleep. Good morning. Okay, I think we gotta be quiet because there's a freaking dangerous tie rug. Okay, it's looking for a chicken, I think, or something there, like me, but its hand. Doesn't it know that? It's climbing over. That's unusual. I think it's stuck. It's right there. It's right there. It's gonna burn its nose if it just. I don't think any dino like smoke. It almost whacked me with its tail. That was dangerous. Alright. Alright, time to go to sleep. Wow. Wow, what time is it? Oh crap, there's a crocodile. Those things have long necks so they can see from far away. They can see prey too. Most prey are the bananas on the trees because they're whatever they're called. Carnivore? No. The dinos that eat vegetables. Because they have long necks. This one's kind of like a baby, so it can't really reach that much, but it can jump up the tree. Or maybe that tree was kind of tall. You can see it walking around sometimes, eating all the bananas. Good thing they're not harmful to humans. So, sometimes they're not harmful to humans. Or Uggs. Or cavemen. I think it's waving. Alright. Well, that was a nice crocodile. Alright, time to go to sleep. Oh, good morning. Oh, Oh, I spotted one of the biggest birds. Or this is the biggest bird. It's the biggest bird dino ever. It's the flaptor. It's a relative to the pterosaur group. Pterodactyl. Pterosaur. It's red wings and cool patterns and everything. Bad eyesight. So they can't really see humans. They only see stuff. There, because they also have long necks. Alright, I think we are safe to come out now. There's the raw IT skeleton. Those things are scary. Woo! Gorgeous. Get a good view of it from the ground. Here comes another one. Here comes another one. It's a bright big blue one. A tall one too. Seems to be like a teenager or an adult. Oh my gosh, that was a beautiful. Here comes the beautiful view of the view. I think the other one's calling the other one. But the other one's just staying here for some reason. I think it's chilling. You could see the other one. It's all the way up there. Let's zoom the camera in. It's all the way over there. Bye, guys. See you in the next video. And peace. Shout out to... I have to unmute you, man.
Hello.
Shout out to Mag. Say your YouTube channel, man.
My name is Mag, and my YouTube channel is literally just Mag. And if you can figure that out, just do the thing that you usually see.
The at symbol.
Yeah, at Mason Ricardo dash S. I think 5. I don't know. Something. Something.
Subscribe to him for helping me with this video, and peace.